Let's learn some colors and alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Light brown color, blue color, dark green color, pink color, dark brown color, black color, orange color, sky blue color, yellow color, light pink color, purple color, red color, sky blue color, light green color. A B C apple ball cat cat. Orange color. A for apple. A for apple, orange color, red color, red color, light green color, dark green color. A for apple. B B for ball. B for ball. Sky blue color. Red color. Yellow color. Pink color. Purple color. Black color. B for ball. dark green color. C. C. C for cat. C for cat. Dark green color. Light pink color. Light brown color. This is cat. Light pink color. Cat. Orange color, red color, green color, dark green color, sky blue color, yellow color, light pink color, purple color, red color, dark green color, light pink color, light brown color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.